Okay, a gradient consists of two or more colors that gradually blend into one into another over a distance. Gradient blend one into another over a distance. Okay, you can apply a gradient to fill or stroke. And now you're going to apply a gradient to a banner. Starting on the left edge of the artboard, drag across to the right edge, making a rectangle the width of the artboard with a height of approximately 375 pixels. Yeah, I did make the artboard the wrong size. Edit artboards, please. Yeah, this is not part of it, but I'm almost certain it was supposed to be this. And for some reason I did it wrong. Let me just see if I can move those in. You know what? It's funny. Even though I did everything wrong, they actually fit almost perfectly on it. So what does it say anyway? Starting on the left edge of the artboard. What does the final picture look like? I think I actually, you know what? It actually might work all right. This, when I look at the final picture, it's actually now I've changed the artboard size to be the proper size. It actually looks much better. So it says start on the left edge, drag, and we need a 375 pixel high thingamajig. So we're going to make sure we're on the edge. Let's just start like, and then we're going to go to like there and try and get it to make sure when we release. See if we can get it. There you go. Didn't get it quite perfect, but if you get the width right, that's kind of the most important thing, right? Height of approximately 375. Okay, with 3 pixels off. In the properties panel, click the fill color box and select the white to black swatch with the tooltip white black. I will do. Thank you. Okay. Leave the swatches panel showing. Okay. At the bottom of the swatches panel, click the gradient options button to open the gradient panel, which of course is miles away. You can drag the gradient panel by the title bar at the top to move it around. Okay, we've done that. In the gradient panel, do the following. Click the fill box to make sure you're editing the fill. What? That's not that one. That's right. No, I didn't want to do that. Don't double click it. But yeah, I am editing the fill, bro. Maybe I shouldn't say bro. Um, double click the little what? Yeah. Double click the little black color stop on the right hand side of the gradient. Okay. Select dark blue and then do light blue on the other one. Okay. So I think this should work. So you're going to get dark blue. Dark blue is where they're kind of hard to find it. Maybe I should do this. Wouldn't like that be dark blue, just blue at 255 and the others like really, why are you not happy? No, bro, that's not what I want. Why don't I just do that? I don't like it when it has this exclamation mark. It's like, okay. I want yeah, I want it like more like that. That to me is dark blue, right? It's more of a dark blue color. Okay, anyway. Moved it again, haven't I? Make sure it's right on there. And you need to be light blue. Select light blue. So the light blue would be here. No, I need sky, right? needs to be really sky blue. I guess if we actually look at the colours here, sky blue is like here, right? For me, light blue and turquoise are like the same colour. That isn't really what, that isn't right though. It's not right. It's more like that, right? Yeah, it's not supposed to be like a super obvious. The thing about gradients is you're not supposed to go ridiculously over the top, which is what my tendency is to want to do. Go from like turquoise to like, you know, like really dark blue, like almost black levels. Choose select, deselect, which is Control Shift A, I believe. Is it not? Yep. All right. So we now have our gradient over the thingamajig. A stroke is the outline border of artwork such as shapes and paths. There are a lot of appearance properties you can change for a stroke, including width, color dashes, and more. In this section, you adjust the stroke of the banner rectangle. With it still selected, so let's just make sure that is still selected. Did we move it? I don't think so, but we can always move it again. Click the word stroke in the properties panel. Okay, I will. In the properties panel, when you click an underlined word, more options appear in the panel. Okay, I didn't realize it was like that. We want the stroke weight to be 11 pixels. Okay. Again, we'll use the pen. I'm actually sitting in a different position at this point. So it might actually work. All right. Click Align Stroke to Inside to align the stroke to the inside of the rectangle edge. So that is... All right. This one, right? Okay, it makes sense, yeah. When you look at... Okay, so yeah, it makes sense, right? If it's bordering the whole width of the artboard, and if you do it the inside, then it will fit better. Otherwise, it'll go outside the artboard. In the properties panel, click the stroke color box and select the whole swatch. Oh, select the white swatch. Okay, my mistake. You want to do that? Yeah. Select, deselect. That is just Control Shift A, right? Let me just check that with the mouse. Yeah, Control Shift A.